you're hitting that frustrating FiveM legacy crash #6 uniform Missouri error, and we're going to fix it right now. This specific crash hash means something is fundamentally wrong with your game files or system permissions, and we're diving straight into the solutions. First, always ensure you're running FiveM as an administrator, then immediately verify your game file integrity through the FiveM client itself. If that doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in corrupted temporary files, which brings us to method 2, clearing your FiveM cache data. Simply locate that cache folder, delete everything inside, and then re-verify your game files. If you're still stuck, the problem might be network related, so method 3 focuses on adjusting your firewall exceptions. You need to add both the FiveM executable and launcher to your firewall's allowed list to ensure they can communicate properly. Finally, if none of these software adjustments work, it's time to look at your hardware drivers, specifically for your graphics card. Method 4 involves opening your device manager, finding your display adapter, and updating the driver to the latest version. This process removes corrupted driver data and ensures your graphics card is communicating correctly with FiveM, resolving many common crash issues.